backhand, when he's gone to the war, she's taking care of the kingdom.
Yes.
And they have some like one connection that nobody can see, nobody is being a mediator, but these Maharani and the Maharaj just know what the other one is doing. Because Maharaj is going and fighting those wars while he knows that he can trust the whole kingdom in Maharani's hands.
Yes.
And likewise, Maharani knows that Maharaj is going and fighting wars there, so I don't have to worry about any intruders coming in. So for me, when I had to accept the film, of course, Yesubai, the story is not about Yesubai. So the screen space or whatever is how much it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Okay? But just this story about this Maharani and Maharaj and Chhawa, who is the Maharaj, was told to me. I wasn't thinking about me. I was thinking about Chhawa. And this is a spectacular film that I want to be a part of. And today, when I'm watching these songs and when I'm watching the trailer, I'm there in the film, but I'm so proud of myself being in a film like Chhawa. So for me, when I accept a film, I think of it from much bigger than me. Like I want my films to be much bigger than me.
Yes.
You know, and today when I am promoting for Chhawa, it is invoking a proud feeling in me that I've gotten to do a film like this. So why you have to come and watch the film is because it is a story about Chhawa. Of course, it is a real story with every historical details that we could get. And for me, it is mind-blowing to be exposed to this historic event, right, which is his life. And today you're getting to watch it as a film. It is also like an educational purpose, but also it's a film. So I think like it's not a film for said age group. I think a little baby can watch to a very much older person can watch. So it's a wide range audience who can come and watch the film. And it's about Chhawa, who is the lion. He's roaring in the film. It is the film about him and his life. So I hope everyone does give their time and come watch the film and support. That's all. I don't know, did I give like one full monologue? I'm sorry. I just have a lot to speak about the film.
That was beautiful, but then the same question goes to you, Vicky. One takeaway for the audience.
Please speak more than me. Yeah. Otherwise they'll call me talkative.
No, if I can just speak in Hindi because I think I
yes,
can promote better in
yes.
that with what I want to say. हमारा छावा दुनिया के सामने लेके आने का primary reason was that छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के बारे में दुनिया भर के लोगों को पता है, पर छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज के बारे में उतना सबको डिटेल में नहीं पता जितना पता होना चाहिए. उन्हें धर्म रक्षक, धर्मवीर क्यों बोला जाता है? हमारा एक ही गोल रहा है कि इस फिल्म को हम as authentically, as grandly and as unapologetically बता सकें, वो हमने कोशिश की है. By the age of 30, छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज ऐसे राजा थे जो 13 से ज़्यादा भाषाओं का ज्ञान था उन्हें. वो किताबें लिखते थे. He was into literature, he was into poetry. 60 किलो की तलवार उठाते थे वो. And by the age of 30, he had fought 127 wars and lost none. Probably the only king and a warrior to never have lost a single war, a single battle. That was Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. And वो हमें लगता है कि आज की यूथ को, आने वाली यूथ को बहुत ज़रूरी है ऐसे योद्धाओं की कहानी, उनकी वीर गाथा को जानने का. और not just Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, India has produced such amazing warriors that I think all of those stories should now come out and be told when we are so technologically advanced. Our filmmaking, our storytelling is at par with the world outside India. I think it's such a brilliant time to bring forward the stories of our true superheroes. And I truly feel that Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj were our true superheroes. So we take great pride in giving it our all to bring this story forward. Hats off to Dinesh Vijan sir for backing such a project, for having faith, to Lakshman sir, who's been the person जहाँ से ये germ आया है, who's always been wanting to tell this story. And I truly feel blessed that Lakshman sir and Dinu sir chose me to play the part of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. I think such an opportunity only blessed people can get. You know, there must be something good I must have done at some point, at some lifetime, that I'm getting such opportunities. And it's been such a privilege for me, for Rashmika, for the entire cast to see this film shape up in the way that it has done, because we always felt like, to just give you an anecdote, जो आप ट्रेलर में सीन देखते हैं राज्याभिषेक का, जो राज्याभिषेक हो रहा है, हमारी फिल्म की शूटिंग राज्याभिषेक जिस दिन हुई थी, that was 16th of January 2024. When it had actually happened was 16th of January 1681. So we categorically chose कि नहीं, हम उसी दिन करेंगे. On the anniversary of राज्याभिषेक of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, we shot the sequence. And हर दिन जब भी हम शूटिंग शुरू करते थे, शिव गर्जना होती थी और फिर शूटिंग होती थी.